Have you ever wondered how large language models, like ChatGPT or Gemini, learn to be helpful and polite? How do they know specifically not to be rude or toxic? It's not magic. It's a training process called alignment. Today, we are going to talk about the latest and most efficient method for this, called direct preference optimization, or DPO. If you are studying generative AI or LLMs, this is a concept you absolutely need to know. So what is DPO? In simple terms, it is a method to fine-tune an AI model so it aligns with human preferences. Think of it this way. Imagine you are a teacher trying to teach a student how to write a good essay. In the old way, you might create a complex grading rubric, calculate a score for every sentence, and then give the student a final grade. That takes a long time. With DPO, you simplify the process. You just show the student two essays side by side. You point to essay A and say, "This is good." You point to essay B and say, "This is bad. Write more like A and less like B." That is exactly what DPO does for AI. It feeds the model pairs of answers, a winner and a loser, and the model learns to increase the probability of the winner. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine we are training an AI for customer support. The user types, "I ordered a package 2 weeks ago, and it hasn't arrived. I want a refund." The DPO process looks at two possible AI responses. Response 1 says, "I apologize for the delay. Please give me your order number so I can help you immediately." Response 2 says, "Refunds take 30 days. You have to wait. Check the website." Humans label the first response as the chosen one because it is empathetic. The second is the rejected one because it is rude. DPO updates the model's internal math to prefer the polite patterns and avoid the dismissive ones. No complex scoring needed, just a direct comparison. Now, you might ask, wasn't there a method before this? Yes, it was called RLHF, Reinforcement Learning from Human Feedback. RLHF was the standard for a long time, but it was complicated. It required training a separate reward model to act as a judge before training the main AI. RLHF is computationally heavy and often unstable. The training could crash easily. DPO, on the other hand, is much more stable and lightweight. It skips the separate reward model step entirely. It treats the language model itself as the reward model. This makes training faster and requires less memory. To summarize, direct preference optimization is the modern way to make AI safer and more helpful by simply showing it what we like and what we don't like in pairs. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button. I will be covering more generative AI concepts in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you want a Python tutorial on how to code this. Thanks for watching.